What is the best trading method according to you? There might be various answers to that question. However, in my opinion, the best trading method is buying at the lowest price and selling at the highest price, and in this video, we will discuss a sniper entry trading strategy using only 2 free indicators, so make sure you don't miss this video, and don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to this channel. Sometimes in the world of trading, there are 2 simple principles that are key to success: buying when prices are low and selling when prices are high. By purchasing when prices are low, you have the opportunity to gain significant profits when prices rise. Similarly, selling when prices are high allows you to secure maximum profits. The trading strategy discussed in this video will only utilize 2 free indicators that you can use on TradingView. And this trading strategy can work on all time frames and assets such as Forex, crypto, stocks, and others. However, for this example, I will demonstrate it on a 5-minute time frame. Now, open your TradingView and go to the Indicator Search tab. In the Search Indicator tab, type double top bottom and then simply select double top bottom from Trendoscope. After that, go to the Indicator Settings tab. In the Input tab, leave it at the default settings. Next, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, remove all marks and leave only on labels and lines. Once done, click OK to confirm the changes. The indicator works by using the technical patterns of double top and double bottom. In essence, when the indicator provides a double top signal, you will focus on placing a sell order. Whereas, if the indicator provides a double bottom signal, you will focus on placing a buy order. To further filter the signals that appear, let's add another indicator that will be used as a trend filter in the market. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type Moving Average Trend Sniper. Then, simply select Moving Average Trend Sniper from ChartPrime. For the Moving Average Trend Sniper, leave it at the default settings. If the Moving Average Trend Sniper is yellow, it indicates a bearish trend. Whereas if it's blue, it indicates a bullish trend. Now, let's discuss how to place buy and sell orders using these indicators. How to place a buy order. 1. If the double top and double bottom indicator has signaled a double bottom, prepare to place a buy order. 2. Ensure that the signal line from the Moving Average Trend Sniper is blue. 3. As confirmation, ensure that the formed candlestick is bullish. 4. If all conditions are confirmed, you can place a buy order after the bullish candlestick has closed. 5. Then, place a stop loss at the first bottom point. 6. Target the take profit using a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell order. 1. If the double top and double bottom indicator has signaled a double top, prepare to place a sell order. 2. Ensure that the signal line from the Moving Average Trend Sniper is yellow. 3. As confirmation, ensure that the formed candlestick is bearish. 4. If all conditions are confirmed, you can place a sell order after the bearish candlestick has closed. 5. Then, place a stop loss at the first top point. 6. Target the take profit using a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Remember to maintain proper money management and trading psychology. That concludes this video, and see you in the next one.